What? It said candy apple. Wow, they're lying. Yamaguchi at the festival. Look at that. What the hell? Look at all these people. Man, there's all these people here. How many ninjas on the bus? I'm bigger than you.
But it's 1990s.
Huh?
It was popular in 1990s.
Yeah.
No, they don't look. We can't move anymore.
Huh?
Go up there.
Whoa, look at all those people. Yeah, look at all these people. Whoa. Why are these people following me? Whoa. It's good. This what the festival look like. Gotta wash our hands, right? What's up, lemon? $4 for lemonade? Look at this shit, though. What's this one? Yeah, what is that? What is that, kanani?
Like a pancake.
Like a pancake.
Like a okonomiyaki.
Oh my god. That's good. I ain't been here many years. Oh, little person. That's a little candy apple. Yeah. They got the natives beating their drums.